Okay, grade 6s, let's look at this example. Right, we have to calculate 547 times 45. So the first step is to break, because these are large numbers, we need to break them up into, to make it more simple, right? So we have 500 plus 40 plus 7 times 40 plus 5. Okay, now we are going to say we are going to distribute the 500 to the 40 and 5. So we're going to say 500 times 40 plus 500 times 5 plus 40 times 40 plus 40 times 5 plus 7 times 40 plus 7 times 5. We are going to get the answers to each one of those sums. Right, what's important for you to remember is to please keep the numbers that belong to the same place value together. So for example, if two numbers say 2000 and 1000, they both belong to the thousands column, please keep it together. It'll make it much easier for us to calculate our answer in the end. So as you can see, I got my answers. 500 times 40, 20,000, right? 500 times 5, 2,500. 40 times 40, 1,600. 40 times 5 is 200. 7 times 40 is 280. 7 times 5 is 35. I just added the numbers up in steps, and at the end of it I got 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 1,500 plus 110 plus 5, and it gave me 24,615. Right, please pause the video and see if you can do it by yourself. And please do not get mixed up with your signs, because that is a very common mistake that learners tend to make. So please watch for your signs. And now I'm going to show you the second method of working this out. Okay, here is the second method. It is the same sum. So we are putting the first set of numbers on this axis, the second set of numbers on this axis on the top. We are putting a times there because we are timesing the two sets of numbers. So here we have 500 plus 40 plus 7, which makes 547. 40 plus 5, which makes 45. And we are going to times it together. So let's start. 40 times 500 is 20,000. 40 times 40 is 1,600. 40 times 7 is 280. 5 times 500 is 2,500. 5 times 40 is 200, and 5 times 7 is 35. I did the same thing as before, and I just added all of the numbers up, and I got to the same answer. So you can use either one of these one of these methods, whichever one is easier for you. They all come to the same outcome, which is the same answer. Right, I prefer, like I said, I prefer using this one here because it is much easier. To add these numbers up, you can use column method. I suggest column method because it is the easiest method. Please try and not use your calculators. Try and work it out using the methods that we have learned in class, so that you don't get used to using a calculator. Okay, and it'll be easier for you when doing the work in future, right? Okay, I hope you guys understand. Please let me know if you're having any problems. Assalamu alaikum.